What's up YouTube? Welcome back my travel barber tribe. Today we are doing a shadow fade haircut. As you can see, it's been a couple months since my client last had it cut. We start by picking all the hair out, and now we're going to go ahead and do our shadow on the bottom. So we have our half guard on our clipper, lever all the way closed, and we're going to take that a couple fingers above the ear, and we're going to take that line all the way around. Next, we are going to take the top down to wavelength. First, we're going to start with the number 2 guard, lever closed, and we're going to take all that bulk out. Then we're going to end with our 1.5 guard, lever closed, to get it down to wavelength. This is the 1.5 guard, lever closed, going with the grain. Now we are going to take our number 1 guard, lever closed. We're going to go up about a finger's width, and then we're going to blend with our half guard right below that. Blending with our half guard, lever closed, and adjusting the lever, we are going to use mostly the corner of our clipper. Next, we have our 1.5 guard on, lever closed. We're going up another finger's width, and then we're going to blend below that with our number 1 guard, adjusting the lever as needed. Now, using our number 1 guard, adjusting the lever, we're going to go down with the grain to help smooth out the area. Using our number 2 guard, going with the grain, lever closed, we're going to knock out any loose hairs that are sticking up. And now we are just adding a little detail work to make sure the fade looks good in the mirror. We are going to repeat all the same steps on the opposite side. We are going to repeat all the same steps on the back as well. Next, we taper the neckline, so we're going to bald it out with our trimmer, and then we're only going to use our clipper with no guard. We're going to use it halfway open first, and then close it all the way using the corner, and then we're going to just blend it into that shadow. Lining everything up, you want to start from the middle and work your way out, then hit the bars on the side. Make sure to look in the mirror to make sure everything's symmetrical, and you have yourself a nice, clean, natural lineup. And finally, this is a shadow fade with a 1.5 with the grain on top with a tapered neckline. If you have any questions, please drop something in the comment. I love y'all.